It's got a cutaway.
It's the smallest Telecaster I've ever seen in my life.
It's not that small.
Well, Joe, what are these?
Well, today we're going to show off our Fullerton series of ukuleles here from Fender. These are really cool. We got these in maybe a month or two ago. All your favorite Fender body shapes in a ukulele, acoustic electric ukulele no less. Some really cool telly shape, Strat shape, and also Jazzmaster shapes. So no matter what your favorite solid body electric Fender shape you can think of, there's pretty much one for everybody. A couple different colors. Let's see, the blue, the sunburst. You got your typical black, and also your classic butterscotch
Joe's favorite color
with black guard.
Definitely his favorite color.
There's never been a combination like it.
Best selling color.
And great price point for what you're getting here, because they're actually decent sounding instruments, unlike a lot of the acoustic electric ukuleles I've played in my time. Neat features like you got the inline headstock just like your Fender.
Mm-hmm.
And you've also got a bridge here that is just a no-tie bridge. Some people really get hung up on having to tie strings on ukuleles, classicals, anything with nylon strings. This is really easy because you just basically tie a knot in the end of it and slide it through and tune up like normal, which is great. It's got a pretty basic preamp where you have your tone, volume, and then you've also got a tuner function, which reminds me a lot of the Fender Bullet tuner.
Okay, yeah.
It pretty much looks like the exact same screen.
Oh, cool.
Allows you to tune up right on the instrument, which is great when your tuner's not handy, because if you're like me, you've noticed your nylon strings typically don't stay in tune after about a day of not playing them. It's unlike steel strings, which you really should be checking your instrument's tuning every time you play, but without fail, nylon strings, they're probably going to be out of tune the next time you go to play. So it's nice to have your tuner built in. You don't have to go reaching for your snark or plug into your pedal tuner, which you could do with this. Nice and bound neck.
Yeah, I just noticed too, the Strat neck is thinner than the Telly.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, it's really weird. So just keep in mind, yeah, this is definitely slimmer.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow. Didn't even notice that
Didn't
myself.
realize that, but yeah, totally.
So, if you're looking for something with a slimmer or a thicker feel, you have options now. So if you like the more chunk baseball bat, go with the Telly.
Yeah.
If you like the thinner model, go with the Stratocaster.
I'm surprised.
And none of this really matters if it doesn't sound good. But one thing I was blown away was even with the cutaway and a piece of plastic shoved in this thing, it still sounds pretty good. So we'll play it unplugged first. Of course, I'm using the butterscotch Telly, so we're gonna let it pick up with the mic here first, without the volume going through the amp. So give you an idea of what it sounds like here. So. Not bad. And it sounds usually like finger pick.
Gorgeous.
Not too bad. And again, let's hear what it sounds like. We've got our ukulele pumped through our just a basic Fender Rumble amp with pretty flat response. A little bit of the bass taken out just because this instrument you really don't need that extra bass. Mic'd up with our Shure SM7B, and I'm going to put it up a little bit over halfway on the volume here, so let's see what this sounds like. It is a blonde. 4 non-blondes.
No,
none of you are gonna get that joke anymore.
I love the body shapes. They've been really popular, and they do sound good. They're not a novelty for sure.
No, it doesn't sound like a toy to me.
No, they
for
sound good, and they feel solid. Like they really do feel like a, you know.
I wouldn't throw it around like an actual telly, but man, this thing for ukuleles,
Yeah,
built pretty well. Thankfully.
and $199. That's it. $199.
So throw it in your trunk, take it to the beach. You can even plug it in at open mic night. You can record with this thing. Sounds good enough to record by itself. You can blend it with the pickup out. Built-in tuner, enough play in the tone to where you could literally go from super, bright and thin to a little bit on the darker side. Any tone in between, and of course what you dial it in on your amp is going to make a huge difference too. Cool thing is you can start adding things like delay and reverb to your ukulele, which is a lot of fun. Yep. If you've never done it, try it, because it's a whole other instrument once you start adding all those extra things when you amplify it. So fun to try out. We'll experiment. So not too bad. Price point's good. Quality's good.
Yeah.
Features are good. It's good.